Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to open a Citibank checking account online. So there are two options to do that, or two methods to do that. You can either do it on your phone or do it on the web browser. So for me, as example, I'll show you in the web browser. All you need to do, go to your preferred browser, type in the URL section city.com and hit the enter button. Then of course you'll have to come here and click on open an account. Once you click on open an account, you'll find yourself here. Of course, first of all, you will have to make sure if you are, as example, using the phone to download the app, and it should be the City app as example. So I'll just go open new tab, click on City app as example, and go to images. And yeah, the icon should look something like this. Whether you're using iPhone or Android is going to be the same. So of course, the first time that you come here and click on open account, they might tell you to enter your zip code. So you'll have to enter the zip code or where do you live, so they can know if they can offer you a Citi bank account. So here, as you can see, we would like to open a checking account. So I'm just going to open an account in here. And of course, we can choose whether we want regular chicken or access chicken, depending on whatever you want. As an example, I'm just going to choose regular chicken, click on open an account, and then here I'll have to start filling up my information, starting by personal information, then verifying my ID, entering the employment and income informations, set up online access, agreements and disclosure. Basically, I'll have to agree to the term of service that they are asking for. And simply, after all, transfer funds. You can even skip that if you don't want to transfer funds to your Citibank at the moment. And then you should be good to go. Once you fill up all those informations, you would create your checking account without any problems. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.